Alright, so what we got here is Discovery Sport 2019, installed with factory style CarPlay, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto on the original screen. So as you can see, everything is still original. We have not changed anything. So you press and hold the home button, and it'll switch over to the CarPlay system. Gives you original touchscreen. Use all your favorite apps right on the screen. Sound comes with the original system as well. And you can also switch back to the original system whenever you want. If you want this installed on yours, give us a shout.